Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is, do you need high protein on a plant-based diet to be strong? So the short answer is no, you do not need to eat high protein on a plant-based diet to be strong. And I'm going to talk about this on the video, and then make sure you stay tuned because I'm going to show you exactly what I'm eating today as well. And I think this is an important message to get out there because nowadays in the media, social media, commercials, the food industry, everything, protein is pumped so hard. So I just want to share what I do and what works for me. Of course, do what works for you. I don't care what anyone eats. I'm just showing what works for me. So I've been doing this quite a while now. I'm eating 50 to 80 grams of protein a day. And I weigh 170 pounds, I'm 6 feet tall, I'm 46 years old. So I'm actually getting less than a half a gram of protein per pound of body weight per day on average. So that's just a typical day of eating is 50 to 80 grams of protein. So the two most important factors that determine if you're going to be strong, no matter what kind of diet you're eating, is number one, are you working your muscles? So you need to be doing some sort of strength training, some sort of resistance training. I prefer calisthenics, so I don't use too many weights, but I use a lot of body weight exercises like pull-ups and push-ups and squats. But if you prefer using weights, that's fine. Just make sure you're really working your muscles. I recommend 2 to 3 days a week. I generally strength train twice a week, and I do full body each time. So that's number one, is work your muscles, and you really need to put out the effort when you do so. And number two is eating enough calories from whole real foods. So again, no matter what type of diet you're eating, you need to be minimizing the processed foods and eating as many whole real foods as possible in your diet. So I focus on foods like fruits, smoothies, salads, starches, things like potatoes, sweet potatoes, rice and beans, also nuts and seeds. So I eat more of a plant-based diet, and those are the foods that I focus on. So if you're getting enough calories from real foods and you're working your muscles hard, you're going to definitely be strong. You do not need to focus on eating protein. In fact, the order of macros that I eat is number 1 carbs, number 2 fat, and number 3 protein. So that's the order in which I eat my carbohydrates, percentages in the day. And I don't really focus on it. I just eat real foods that taste good to me. So here's what I had on this day. I started with my date almond smoothie. Now this thing had 3 dates. It had a handful of frozen strawberries. It had a sprinkle of cinnamon. It had 2 tablespoons of raw almond butter. It had about 3/4 cup of almond milk. And I had 5 frozen ripe bananas. Now, the way that I do my bananas in my smoothie is I freeze them with the peel on when they're nice and ripe, and then I throw them in a tub of hot water for 4 minutes. They defrost and they come right out the peel. And I like the consistency when I make it this way. So I blended this up in my Vitamix, and this made just a little bit over 1 liter. So try this one out. This is one of my go-to smoothies right now. Super delicious. It's satisfying, it's filling, and it's healthy. Keeps me full for a good couple, 2-3 hours. Then next up at 4 p.m., I had a plum, some peaches, and a kiwi. Nice little fruit meal. Then next up at 5 p.m., I had a salad. It had greens, cucumber, avocado, and apple. So this is one of my go-to salads, greens, cucumber, avocado, apple. Real simple, but tasty and delicious. Then at 7 p.m., I had rice and beans. It had avocado, hot sauce. I had a little cup of almonds. It was about a serving or so of almonds there. And then for dessert, I had some of these dark chocolate chips. And that was it for the day. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Make sure you give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more videos. Leave me a comment and let me know your thoughts on this. I hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.